What's up, everybody? We are in beautiful Moab, Utah today to test out ICECO's new True Dual Zone GO20 with the insulated cover. So let's get into it. So we have our little unboxing knife. Let's pop this open. First up, let's go ahead and do the cover. ICECO protective cover features, yada yada. We'll go through that later. Now for the actual cover. Oh wow, this is nice. Pops open. Little cutouts for the handles. Handle on the other side, plus the venting. And as you can tell, it has the sort of reflective interior to keep this thing working a little more efficiently. And it has a zipper all the way around. Just like that. Very nice. Alright, for the actual fridge. Alright, so we got the little unboxing knife. Let's go at it. Do I need to go beast mode on it? Maybe not. Let's take it easy. It's still early in the morning. Okay, so what's great about right now is that there's a 30% off site-wide for ICECO between now and the 27th. Now, if you're watching this after the 27th, I do have a coupon code for my viewers. I'm going to throw it up on the screen. It's going to be DOTG 12 off. It's going to get you 12% off after Black Friday. So depending on when you're going to watch this is how much deals you're going to get. After Black Friday, you're going to get 12% off using my coupon code DOTG 12 off. Now, of course, inside we have the instruction manual. And your two plugs, one is going to be AC and one is going to be DC. Okay, so here's a closer look at the plugs you get. So you're going to get both plugs, one for AC, typical 110 plug. And of course, you got your 12 volt right here. Again, if you have house batteries, you can open this up and tap it right into your house batteries. Otherwise, if you have a battery bank or solar generator, you can plug this right into the 12 volt, aka cigarette port adapter. I'm gonna pop off the styrofoam here. This is very well packaged. Wow. Whoa, look at the color scheme on this one. Let me pop it out of the box here. Boom. Now, I don't know if you can see this on camera or not, but it has these auto-grade paint job with these speckles in it. So it's like a speckled white. It looks amazing. That's the one thing with ICECO you're going to get is the attention to detail. Okay, I can't stress enough at how nice this paint job is. Even in this black, there's these little colorful speckles in it, if you could see in the sun. It is only 25.5 pounds. Now inside, let's take a look. Boom. And it also has a partition wall. So if you want to do either freezer or refrigerator in one big container, you can. Or if you want to separate it, all you got to do is slide in this partition and there you go. You're going to have your freezer side and your refrigerator side. It also has these hinges here for a soft close. So you can slam it down and it does not slam. Also, what's great is it has these very large digital displays right here. I'll show you close up. Okay, we're going to use the included cable. Right into the DC output. Turn it on. Boom. Here's a closer look at the digital display. Left side, right side, independent temperature adjustments for the freezer or the refrigerator. Now let's go ahead and remove the center partition. And now the display is smart. It's only going to display the one temperature. So you can either have this as a large freezer or a large refrigerator. And let's go ahead and put that partition back in. And automatically it's going to adjust right there. Even the handles are painted with that speckle. I just can't get over the quality of this. Out of all my products, this is probably the best quality thing I own, to be honest with you. Okay, so let's get into some of the specs of the ICECO GO20 fridge. It's a flexible dual zone design. It's an electric cooler that has 2 digital touchscreen displays that can be controlled independently. With a detachable portion design like this right here, it can either be a refrigerator, a freezer, or one or the other. Now, what separates this fridge from most fridges is it has a high quality Danfoss ICECO compressor. It's a winner of IDEA and Red Dot ETL certificate global product insurance. Of course, it has 3-stage car battery protection for safe trip. The GO20 is a plug-in cooler, comes with 3-stage dynamic battery protection to keep your car's battery from draining or your house battery. It is also a battery operated cooler which can be used with any portable battery. Fast cooling and energy saving, you can adjust the max or eco mode according to your needs. In the max mode, the power consumption of the GO20 is around 45 watts. Or you can choose eco mode and save energy and extend the use time of power. 5-year warranty on the compressor. The capacity is 21 quarts or 20 liters. Compressor is the Danfoss compressor. Weight is 25.5 pounds. And for the dimensions, it's going to be 22.4 by 12.6 by 12.4. And also it has an app control, so you can control this fridge straight from your phone. To give you an idea of what you can fit in here, you can fit up to 28 cans of cola or beer or 9 bottles of wine. And of course, we got the soft close, very nice large digital display here. Impeccable paint job, soft rounded corners. Okay, now let's see what it looks like inside the protective cover. In you go. And if you want to, go ahead and zip it all the way up. Just like that. So here's what it's going to look like. It has all the appropriate cutouts. So a couple of specs on the ICECO protective cover. It has a hard-wearing PVC base. Padded lining helps protect fridge from dents and scratches. And mesh ventilation sections. Temperature control viewing window. So there it is, the ICECO GO20, perhaps the most high quality product that I have, from the paint job to the Danfoss compressor, 5-year warranty, a true dual zone fridge and refrigerator for your off-grid needs, portable or have it at the house. Thank you so much, and don't forget the Black Friday deal right now, up to 30% off of all ICECO products site-wide. And if you happen to be watching this after November 27th, 2023, use my code. I'll drop it on the screen specifically for you guys. DOTG 12 off. Cheers.